The bundle of sticks. An old man had several sons who were always quarreling with each other. Despite his advice, the sons continued to argue and fight. One day, the old man decided to teach them a lesson. He asked his sons to bring him a bundle of sticks. He then handed the bundle to each son in turn and asked them to break it. Each son tried but failed to break the tightly bound sticks. The old man then untied the bundle and gave each son a single stick, which they easily snapped in half. "You see," the old man said, "individually you can be broken easily, but together you are strong and unbreakable." Moral: unity is strength.